Traders, hope you had a nice weekend. Today is Monday, the 9th of October, in case you don't know what day of the week it is. And we are going to start Friday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So loads of trades from Friday to look at, guys, and all of them were pretty successful. I'm going to show you the ones I was in first of all. So Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. I've been in this pretty much all week, really, in and out, in and out. But why were we looking for shorts? Well, we was in a downtrend. Yeah, and we really like this level here. What was once support becomes resistance. Love this pattern as much as Gal Gadot. Yeah, and then at this level, we're just trying to take it back down to this blue line. And as you can see, that happened. But if I zoom in, guys, just look at these wicks. Wicks give you so much information, all right? Even regardless of the body of the candle, those wicks are all rejecting that level. It just so happens we had a nice bearish candle as well. But again, yeah, just trying to short this pair. Everything is telling us to sell this. If we drop down to the H1 now, I was in this trade from up here. Okay, I got in a couple of days ago and I was still in it for 20%. I actually added to my trade here. Okay, so yeah, so I've been in this trade for a while, guys, and then I closed all my positions once it come down to here. So where could we entered on Friday? I would say, guys, this would have been a good entry. Okay, you know, because this was a good level. If I zoom out a little bit, yeah, we got this level through here that we highlighted. You know, it was trying to break it, but didn't really quite break this level. And then we got a big bearish candle come down. All right, you could have got a slight retrace, or, you know, and then take price back down to here. Put your stop just above here, and the risk to reward would have made sense. Okay, it was a nice H4 level as well, guys. All right, so Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, that would have been the candle. That would have been a nice trade. Well, it was a nice trade. The next one I was in was this, guys, was pound Aussie dollar. And again, I've been in this for a couple of days. If we start with the day chart, what were we looking at? So first and foremost, this big weekly zone here is a weekly support area. All right, and then we was in a downtrend. Okay, but it formed this last high here. Okay, so this is a lower high. All right, wasn't making lower lows. And then we had this candle that broke these highs. Therefore, we are in an uptrend. All right, and ever since I saw this big green candle, the body of it needs to break these highs, which it did. I've just been looking for buys in these gray zones. So if we drop down to the let's go at the H4 actually. So there was a couple of ways to take this trade. So I've been in it since this candle here, all right? And I've got a bit of a retrace. And you know, the idea was just to take price back up to these highs. And as you can see, guys, that's exactly what happened. Yeah, my stop was down here and I closed this for 80%. All right, and I closed everything on Friday. Yeah, I closed everything on Friday. So I actually closed this for 100%. But was there another entry yesterday? And there was this H4 candle, which is you know, it is a bullish reaction in our gray zone. You know, you could have entered here, take price up to here, put your stop below here. That would have made sense. This candle is nicely bullish, but that doesn't make sense as a trade, yeah? If you buy here, your first target's here. Where'd you put your stop, here or here? You know, support, risk to reward doesn't make sense. So let's drop down to the H1. And again, it would have been this candle on the H1 because at this point, you know, it looks like things are in a downtrend on the H1. But this candle breaks this last highs here. Yeah, and this would have been a good candle to enter on. Put your stop below here, take price back up to those highs from over here. All right, guys. So, yeah, pound Aussie dollar and Aussie dollar New Zealand dollar were both very successful trades, guys. We was, in these for a couple of days. I put all of these trade ideas in the VIP Discord channel where I entered my take profit, my stop loss or hedge. So, yeah, check it out, VIP Discord. There was so many trades from Friday. Let's go through the last two. So, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. I had basically stopped trading by now, guys, and this was a big news candle. All right, but look, that would have been a nice entry. But anyway, let's start with the day chart. So why were we looking to buy this? Well, it's quite clear, really. We were in a kind of downtrend. Well, not kind of. We were in a downtrend, and then bang, we're in an uptrend. We're getting higher lows. We couldn't buy into this resistance level, but as soon as we broke it with this candle, I'm all over this. I'm still all over this today. So yeah, we were looking for buys. Uptrend, break of resistance, bullish candle. What's not to like, guys? If we drop down to the H4 now, so it did eventually come into our grey zone. All right. Okay, like I say, guys, I had stopped trading for NFPs. Yeah, not interested, and it's Friday and everything goes a bit crazy. But if you were still trading, guys, we've got, it's a bearish H4 candle, but it comes down nicely into our grey zone and nicely down to our moving average 20. Yeah, so I really like this level. I don't like the candle, but I really like this level. Would you have entered here? Probably not on that bearish candle, but look how it reacts. So maybe you got in on this candle, guys. Yeah, like I say, I had stopped trading, but maybe you did. I still like this trade for today. So it reacted at our grey zone. And then the last one from Friday was this, guys, was another New Zealand pair, because we were seeing a lot of New Zealand dollar strength on Thursday and Friday. If we go to the day chart, yeah, this was just a case of following this day trend. Yeah, we're in an uptrend. Price has come back down to a support level. We've got a nice bullish reaction. Yeah, and was looking to take price back up to here. And then if you remember rightly, guys, we had a couple of ways we could have traded this. So we had these two grey zones, this one and this one. Okay, all these others are daily or weekly levels. So the idea was that if we let's go to the H1, actually, you might see this. So we did have a setup here, an aggressive setup, shall we say, because on the H1 price, but this again was after news. Yeah, price come down into this grey zone that we had highlighted, got a bullish reaction. You could have entered here, put your stop here, and look to take price higher. You would probably made risk to reward 1:1 already. Or the other idea, guys, if I go back to the H4, was a break of this key H4 level. The market always shows you these levels, guys. It always says, look, this is a key level. If this breaks, we're off to the races. If it holds, we're coming back down. The market always shows you these levels. And as you can see, guys, we never broke that level. So it'll be interesting to see what happens with this pair. It's at a real pivotal level. If it breaks this, then yeah, I think we have room to the upside. But again, I didn't trade this pair, but we did have this entry in here. All right, guys, so those are all the trades from Friday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed Friday's analysis, maybe you took a few of the trades, then come join us. Yeah, please subscribe to the channel right now. Also, smash that notification button so you receive an alert every single day we post a vid. And also, guys, please smash the like button. It really helps support the vid and the channel. Gracias, dankeschön, shukran. Thank you. Right, trades for Monday, the 9th of October, guys. Before we get started, let me just mention a few cool things. So, first of all, guys, we've got the free Discord channel. It's free. Come join it. We've got traders in there sharing knowledge, ideas. We've got indicators. We've got useful links, books, psychology, loads of cool things, guys. Come join it. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, we also have the VIP Discord channel. Yeah, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions about anything to do with trading. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. All right. We also have 2 other expert traders sharing their ideas. We give you exclusive content every single week in the VIP, and you get access to a performance coach. So loads of value in the VIP, guys. Check it out. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to learn how to trade, learn how to read the charts like I do, then drop us an email and we'll send you information on the mentorship program, guys. The email is in the video description. Next, guys, if you watch the analysis vid every day, you watch my live streams, then you can show your support. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. And we've got silver, gold, and legend tiers, guys. And each one has more and more perks and exclusive content, etc. So check them all out. They're all in the video description. And don't forget, guys, today, 8 a.m. New York EST time, the live stream. Yeah, get your questions ready. I'm ready for you. Right, so trades for Monday the 9th of October, guys. Before we delve into the trades, there's just a couple of interesting things I want to show you from Friday. So alarm bells are ringing when you have NFP data that was fantastic for the US dollar, and price still rejects a level. Yeah, so you probably couldn't get better NFP data. And as you can see, this is the H4 and Euro US dollar. And this candle comes flying down. And we're all thinking, right, this US dollar's, you know, tanking, you know, but no. Yeah, sometimes technical levels are more important than any fundamental news. Or sometimes you'll find the fundamentals mirror the technicals. But in this case, they don't, yeah? We should be seeing US dollar strength off the back of that news. But then look at this green candle that follows immediately. Yeah? So that is telling me people are, regardless of super duper great news, people are rejecting this level. Yeah? So this could be the turning point for the US dollar. Okay, could be. Obviously, I need to see it on the charts. But just to show you that on the day chart, well, let's go to the weekly chart because we know how important that level was. We've been highlighting this level for days now. And even on the back of that news, look at that weekly candle. Okay, so very interested in that. All right, and if we go to the day chart, I am just waiting for a break of structure. Yeah, as soon as I get a break in this euro, or if, yeah, or when, if I get a break, when I get a break, if I get a break of this level, because that news was also totally ignored at this level, I will be looking to buy. Once we get a break of this, I'm all over it. I've even got my alarm in there now. So, yeah, just interest in that, guys. Yeah, so wanted to show you that first of all. And then as for yen pairs, answers on a postcard, please. Yeah, I mean, how do we trade these? But you know, so if you looked at the day chart, yeah, you'll be thinking, this is just one example, euro yen, you know, we're in a downtrend, back up to nice levels. You know, you'll be thinking, right, let's sell this. But look at the weekly chart. Yeah, I mean, that is just a buy. Yeah, if we look at any of them, let's look at pound yen, you know, that is just a buy. That is screaming out, please buy me on the weekly chart. And then on the daily chart, it's not exactly screaming out, please sell me, but it is at a very nice level for sells. But I wouldn't be buying this. I wouldn't be selling it. So I just stay out, you know. But what is also interesting with yen pairs is this. You know, if we get this break of this level and therefore a break of that structure, then okay, we can start entering this pair. Well, I can. Your strategy might be completely different. But yeah, I can, guys. All right. So, you know, that's what I'm waiting for with yen pairs, just to see that daily break as well. And it's the same with, like I say, euro US dollar. I'm waiting for that break. So those are just some of the interesting things I saw that happened on Friday on the back of that NFP data. But we do have some trades for today. And the first one is this. There was a few almost trades, but not really. The candles put me off. You know, I still like pound Aussie dollar, but the candle, the daily candle is not so good. So this is my first trade idea. New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. And we were looking to buy this from Friday, and not much has changed. Yeah, you can clearly see we was in this downtrend, and we have just broken upwards. We're in a nice uptrend. We broke a key level of resistance. Yeah, bullish candle. You know, Friday's candle's not so bullish, but that's a news candle. Swing one way, swing the other. Yeah, it's like some pies. Anyway, so yeah, there you go, guys. Yeah, it's just broken that. We're in an uptrend. We're getting bullish candles. We've had a nice, look at this wick, a nice rejection at this grey zone that we highlighted. If we drop down to the H4, guys, not much has changed. Yeah, we are looking to take price back down to this grey zone. Maybe it wants to react here. Maybe it wants to react back down here. But if we get a reaction in here or anywhere in this grey zone, really, yeah, we're looking to buy this pair. Okay, we'll start buying and we'll take price higher. Sorry, I didn't show you my target, guys. All right, but yeah, this grey zone's the level to buy from. And when I say bullish reaction, I'm looking for a H1 and or H4 candle that tells me buyers are in control. If I go back to the day chart just to show you my target, you know, again, not rocket science, guys. It is just the next level of resistance and a nice psychological level, 8250. All right, so we're looking to do that. So New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. And the next trade idea is the NASDAQ. Yeah, we saw a bit of a bounce off of, so on the back of that NFPs, we saw a nice bounce on some of the indices, and NASDAQ was such one. Because with the NASDAQ, guys, we were really, you know, thinking about this weekly level. Yeah, I know we mentioned it many times in the live streams. Will it hold? Will it hold? Yes, it's held. Okay, you can see that. Look at that weekly candle off of that level. If it did break that, it was like falling off a cliff. Okay, so sell all your stocks. Only joking. Don't do that. All right, so yeah, we've got a nice bullish reaction off there. If we look at the day chart, so it's a weekly push off of a weekly level, but it's also manifested into a break of day structure. We have broken these last highs. So I like that combination, weekly level, daily structure break. All right, and we've got a nice bullish candle. And our target, again, not rocket science, going to be the next piece of resistance. All right, this grey zone. If we drop down to the H4 now, yeah, you can clearly see there's a nice level through here, guys. You can see where price has reacted many times at this grey zone here. So all we want to see is a retrace into here. We get a bullish reaction, yeah, and then we can start looking to take price back up to here. All right, guys. So yeah, NASDAQ, we're looking to buy that. Yeah, and those are my trade ideas. So New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar buy, NASDAQ buy. Those are my two trade ideas for today. And remember, guys, if you enjoy my analysis and my trade ideas, subscribe to the channel, come join us, and also smash the like button, guys. Yeah. Also, don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord, the VIP Discord, we've got the mentorship program, we've got Simply Forex YouTube membership as well. Right, let's check out the news now. News for Monday, the 9th of October. Canada Thanksgiving. Enjoy your day, Canada. Have a bit of, do you have turkey? Yeah, I'm sure you do. Turkey, have some turkey for me. But other than that, guys, there's nothing to report. There's no news here, guys, of any importance. Okay, so Monday, very light news day. Do what you like. Not do what you like, but you know what I mean. No news to interfere. All right, guys, so that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share with your trader friends. Don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 AM, New York EST. I'll see you then, guys. See you later.